So, number one is something that my mother has always said to me. She would always say this to me after I had, a bad breakup or, a job loss or some pretty devastating personal loss, right? My mother would say, tend to the machinery. And what that means is, when you are in the bleakest of bleak, when you're going through grief, through loss, through terrible sadness, one of, I think it's a good idea to just look at your biggest job, and it may feel really hard as, caring for the machinery of your body. So, you might not be able to focus on anything else. You might not have a single happy thought in your head, but just try to get some sleep. Try to eat some healthy meals, try to hug a friend, get some comfort where you can, right? Get some exercise. So those basic things, if you can just not let your health fall apart when your brain is falling apart, it's helpful. It helps you stay more on track, than if you let it all go.